Hey guys, I'm going to take you through the viruses breakout. We've got Alfredo here helping out for the day. Sweet little guy. Say hi, guys. He's helping out with my videos today. I'm going to take you through the virus breakout lesson that is part of your viruses unit. We're going to do this before we start the Contagion movie, which is kind of our capstone project for this unit. To make sure that you learned and remember everything you need to from the web quests and all of those videos and lessons you've done previously to be successful at being an epidemiologist, which is what you're going to do when you watch the movie. You are going to work as an epidemiologist alongside all of the doctors and epidemiologists in the movie, trying to figure out the origins and all of the ins and outs of a new disease and how to treat it. Good boy. Good boy. All right. So you're going to go into the modules page and you're going to click on the assignment or the lesson page that says viruses breakout. On this lesson page, you're going to have in the goals section, I'm going to have this video posted for you as an explanation of what to do. And then your starter is to finish up any of your prior work that you need to finish before we do the breakout. And then we will move on to the breakout itself. So when you are ready, you can get into small groups. I would say no more than 3 people to a group. Otherwise, there's not going to be enough to keep everyone occupied. Pairs is probably better. You can work alone if you would like. During this breakout lesson, it's a digital breakout, meaning instead of having the breakout boxes, you're going to have some digital locks that you're going to have to find the codes for. So during the epidemiology breakout, you are going to be following some instructions that are listed on this page, and you're going to be solving problems, solving puzzles in order to find the combination or the codes to unlock the locks. The locks themselves are going to be a website that you're going to go to. There's a Google form embedded on the website that has the locks. I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute, but I'm not going to show you how to get there. So you are going to complete a series of different tasks to come up with the codes to unlock the locks. And actually, let me just show you that now. Hold, please. Okay, so this is what the website is going to look like when you access it. I didn't want to show you how to access it because that's part of the fun of the game, is figuring out how to get into it. Once you're here, though, these are your locks right over here. You have this Google form that's embedded, and your task is to try and figure out the answers to these locks. If you type something in incorrectly and then try to click off of it, it's going to tell you it's still locked. Please try again. If you don't answer it, it's going to tell you it's required. When you do answer it correctly, all of that's going to go away. It's going to stay blank like this. And then at that point, when all 3 of them have gotten rid of these messages, then you can click next and submit the form. It's not going to let you submit it until you're correct on all 3 locks. Once you're correct on this form, it's going to take you to a new section of the quiz that tells you congratulations. It gives you a cute little Easter eggy bonus cuteness. And then you'll type in the names of all of your group members. That will populate onto a spreadsheet so your teacher can then give you your points for finishing the breakout. It's an all or nothing assignment, so you either finish it or you don't. Your name's on the spreadsheet or it's not. So make sure that your name gets on that spreadsheet. If you're part of a group, make sure everyone's names are on there, okay? You can submit it individually if you're uncertain, but at that point you would want to write down the codes for the locks so that you don't have to go through the whole process again to try and remember what they are. So you have this website here that you're going to be doing things on and interacting with in order to solve the breakout. If you scroll down here, there's a clickable button at the bottom. There's a jigsaw puzzle you can solve here. Just click OK, and then these pieces will drag and drop, and when they connect, they'll make a nice satisfying click, and they'll drag around together. So solve the jigsaw puzzle, and then there's all of this information up here for you. Everything you need in order to find these codes is on this page somewhere. It will be helpful, again, for you to have your notes with you from your web quest, because somewhere on that page is a quiz that reviews what you learned in that web quest. So if you wrote down the answers to the questions, you will have no problems passing that, because you can use those notes on this quiz. If you did not write down your answers to the questions during the web quest, you did it wrong, and you are going to struggle with this a little bit. So hopefully you remember it, or someone in your group did write them down. Shouldn't need to go to any other web pages. You can work with your classmates. If you're working at home, you can do it over Zoom or by the phone, and try to work through the puzzles to find the codes for all the locks. You're not done until you've unlocked all the locks and received the congratulations image, and then typed your name into that question that says, please enter the names of all your group members, so that you get onto the spreadsheet so you can get your points. Again, it's all or nothing. When you are ready to start, you're going to click here where it says let's start. These activities help you build your problem solving skills, your critical thinking skills, and then they review the content as well. This is your start page. So this is where you're going to go initially. It has your breakout instructions on here. Again, you're trying to open various locks. You won't be able to click the next buttons on the quizzes until you have a correct answer for the current question. That also goes for your quiz over the web quest. And then there's some information here about breakouts in general. And then your ready, set, go sign. Somewhere on this page is the link to get into that website. It's your job to figure out where. Once you figure out where, you will go in here, do your thing, solve all of the problems and puzzles that are in here, finish the locks, and then you are done for the day. You can work on any kind of makeup work, missing assignments, whatever you need to. Enjoy, don't stress out, have fun with it. If you're getting frustrated, ask questions of your teacher. They're there to help you. Have fun.